Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Megha Gupta, Faculty Department of Tourism and Hotel Management, Kurukshetra University. Today I will be talking about front office operations and management under the course Tourism and Hospitality. I will be covering topic room reservation, in which we will discuss the introduction of the room reservations. Topics to be covered in this module would be duties of reservation, the personnel, mode of reservation, sources of the reservation and types of reservations done by the guest, procedures of the reservation at front office, cancellation policy, amendment policies and the systems of reservation. After completing this module, students will be able to understand the functions and importance of reservation in the hotel, modes and sources of reservation, types of reservation and systems of reservations used in the hotel. Reservation section plays an important role in room sales and may be considered as backbone of the front office department in the hotel. Room reservation section reserves the rooms for all the future dates and for the current day. Reception takes care of the booking room. Luxury and the other hotels at the prominent places are sold 1 year in advance and sometimes more before that, keeping in view of all the instructions from the guest with any special request and the billing instructions and so on of the guest, and further pass on information to the reception for easy and comfortable check-in of the guest on the date of arrival. In the present time, the computerized reservation system and the property management system, which we call PMS, makes the task easy as the information is easily shared by all the point of the sale in the hotel, such as housekeeping, room services and so on. Room bookings generally is considered to be firmed after the advance payment for the guest. When the hotel receives the advance, same is acknowledged with the receipt and the confirmation letter. The utmost importance of the reservation section is giving the hotel chance to equate the guest inquiry with the rooms availability on a particular day, or thus gives hotel sufficient time to get most suitable guest rooms ready. The section is also able to forecast the business that the hotel would get in future and the revenue generations respectively. The forecast of the business also allows the hotel to plan for human resource. The reservation of the room is taken on a reservation form manually and taking down each instructions and any preferences accurately. The reservations, cancellations and amendments is further updated in the computerized system for easy communication with all other departments. Sometimes the hotel are even overbooked to achieve the 100 occupancy, and to achieve the same, rooms need to be overbooked, keeping in mind certain considerations such as no-show, cancellations, amendments and so on. Overbooking means to confirm more number of the rooms than the available on a particular day and is deliberate act by the hotel. Now I will be talking about duties and the duties of reservation personnel. The number of the reservation personnel depends on the size of the hotel. The major duties and the responsibilities of the receptionist are: they receive and handle enquiries related to the booking through various modes of communication. The personnel needs to be well versed with new technology, advancements adopted by hotel industry from time to time. coordinate and communicate. They are responsible to coordinate and communicate with the sales and the marketing division for any reservations and updating of the same respectively. They should be having knowledge and information about the product and the availability of the same in concern with the other hotel of the chain with the help of the system of the reservations adopted by that organization. They should be having the knowledge of various plans, packages and the seasonal rates to be offered to the guest during the request for booking. They also create and maintain the reservation record of the guest and send the confirmation numbers to the concerned guest. They are also responsible to communicate the reservation policy of the hotel and the reservations agreement and the guidelines for better understanding and maintaining brand image in the market. They are also responsible for communicating reservation records with the receptionist and the registration for easy operations. They are liable to maintain the company volume guaranteed rate, and they also maintain discount registers as and when required and refer the same at the time of the booking. Now I will be talking about modes of reservation. The process of making a reservation begins with an inquiry. A number of means are considered by guests to contact the hotel. The common mode of reservations are 1. Impersonal or direct. These are the guests who directly come to the hotel seeking a room generally in off-season. These guests care even termed as walk-in. Such mode may be used by relative or friends to book the room for someone visiting his or her city. The second mode of reservation could be letter. Though it was a traditional way of booking rooms, the booking was done months in advance. Booking through letters, writing is not preferred nowadays, but still some hotel used to book a holiday trip not versed with other modern means of booking. The another mode of booking could be telephones. This is one of the most common way of communicating with the hotel. Booking through telephones has to be handled with care, and the confirmation of the booking is even given to the guest from the phone only. The another criteria for booking the reservation, taking the reservation is fax. This mode can also be used readily for the booking of the rooms in the hotel. The request through this mode may be communicated for the international guest as well. Another important method which is being used by most of the hotel nowadays is email. Electronic mail has become more popular than any other mode of booking. The use of email is not only easy for individual guests but even to the groups, corporates, convention business and so on. Now I will be talking about source of reservation. There are many sources of reservation such as property direct, tour operators, travel agents, hotel representatives, corporate travel departments, intercell agencies and so on. Hotel may receive booking from anyone who is connected with the hotel. First is your property direct. These are the guests who directly come to the hotel seeking a room generally in off-season termed as walk-in. The guest or the relative friends can visit the hotel directly and reserve the room for a particular day. The another factor is the room operators. The room operators are intermediaries, agents who sell accommodation to the travelers and sometimes to the agents. They are considered to be travel product wholesaler who purchase rooms, airlines and other product from the principal supplier and convert them into lucrative packages and sell them to the travel agents or the guest directly through their offices and the websites. They are the important source of taking reservations. Another are the travel agents. The travel agents play a significant role in booking the hotel room. The travel agents act as retail travel agents who sell rooms, airlines and other products and the services to the required travelers, and hotel gives commission for selling their rooms to the travel agents. Another source is the hotel representatives. Today, almost all the hotel have representatives who contact various segments in the market and market their product and the services through presentations and further act as agent of sale. The other source is the corporate travel departments. The corporate world's travel is arranged by their travel section or the human resource section. The corporate is also considered one of the major source of booking in the business hotel. The other source we can talk about is the intersale agencies. These types of agencies are multiple product handlers such as accommodation, airline, car, rentals, entertainment and further sell it to the travelers. Now I will be talking about types of reservation. Reservation is the mutual agreement between the guest and the hotel. The type of reservation depends upon the condition of the agreement made at the time of the booking, hence clearly indicating the types of reservation made. The reservations can be divided into tentative reservation or confirmed reservation. It can be the guaranteed reservation, prepayment reservation, credit card guaranteed reservation, reservation from the travel agent, reservation from the corporate, advance deposit and non-guaranteed reservation. There could be many types of reservation hotel can deal with. Tentative reservation. Now tentative reservation is made by a guest hotel when the guest is not sure of his or her visit to the city due to multiple factors. The guest may not sure of the travel plan even a week ago and hence request for a tentative booking with promise to either confirm or cancel the booking at least 2 or 3 days prior of the date of reservation. Usually, hotel automatically cancel tentative reservation unless confirmed within a day or a 2 prior to cut-off date offered to the guest. Not only individual guests, but even travel agents, corporates may have a tentative booking of the rooms in large number. This number may be risky, but is common in present competitive world. The hotel do not encourage tentative reservation, but due to unavoidable circumstances, they are made. Another type of the reservation which I will be talking about is the confirmed reservation. Most of the reservations made at hotel are treated as confirmed reservation. A guest holding confirmed reservation has a right to get the reserved accommodation and hotel must provide the desired accommodation to the respective guest holding confirmed reservation, providing he checks in either before 6 p.m. or the cancellation hour or before the specified check-in time. There are two types of confirmed reservation. One is guaranteed reservation. A guaranteed reservation assures the guest that the hotel will hold a room until checkout time of the guest, as the payment of the same is paid or guest assure guarantee to pay it even if not used. In case of no-show, the hotel has protection of receiving payment from the guest. A guaranteed reservation can be made in the hotel through various ways. One is your prepayment way. A prepayment reservation requires full payment from the guest before the expected date of arrival. It is most common for the resort properties with non-regular guest in most of the cases. The other one is the credit card reservation. Credit card guaranteed reservations are popular form of reservation in the hotel. If the reservation is made from the credit card, then the participating credit card company ensures the payment in case of the no-shows. Most of the hotel prefer the credit card booking. Travel agent, through travel agent, in this type of the reservation, the travel agent guarantees payment on behalf of the guest for whom the booking is made. Another type of the reservation is the corporate reservation. A company signs an agreement with the hotel making guaranteed reservation for its official and promises to pay even the official does not check in on time. Another type of the reservation is the advance deposit. It is a partial deposit of entire stay made by prospective guest and should be sufficient amount to cover at least one day's tariff. Another type of a reservation is non-guaranteed reservation. Non-guaranteed reservation hold the hotel till expected time of arrival given at the time of making reservation. Such reservations are held until cancellation hour, that is 6 p.m. on the expected date of arrival. This type of reservation does not guarantee payment for any no-show. If the guest does not check in before the cancellation hour, the room booking is cancelled, and if the guest arrives after the cancellation hour, the room may be provided depending on the availability may be referred to the other hotels. Now, I will be dealing with procedure of reservation. The reservation request is received through any mode of reservation like telephone, it could be fax, it could be letter, it could be in person, it could be email, and so on. The room availability is checked for the dates and the category of the rooms requested with the help of reservation system such as density control sheet, advanced letting chart, and so on. While taking the reservation, complete information about the guest is recorded on the reservation form such as name of the guest, address of the guest, billing instructions, and number of the PEX, and so on. PEX means number of persons. In case of the reservation comes from telephone or in person, then the guest is requested to send the same in written form and to get the confirmation from the hotel. Once the reservation is confirmed, same is recorded in the type of the system of the reservation a hotel is using like diary system, witness system, CRS system, and so on. Further, the reservation made is updated in density control or advanced letting chart. Send the confirmation letter to the guest. Prepare the expected arrival list and have to send it one day prior the arrival. Now, I will be talking about cancellation and amendment of the reservation in the hotel. Cancellation and amendment in the hotel of the reservation is done well in advance, and often due to this reason guests may cancel or may request for some amendments. For cancellation of the individual, the notice of minimum 48 hours is required, else 1 day room rent is charged from the guest. Now, I will be dealing with systems of reservation. All these reservations received in the hotel are entered and updated somewhere so that same is retrieved in shortest possible time. The recording of the reservation in a particular method is called the reservation. The system of the reservation depends on the size of the hotel. The method are non-automated system which there could be diary system, witness system. Fully automated systems are used by most of the hotel, which includes affiliate or the non-affiliate systems. So hotel can use any of the system, non-automated or the automated system. I will be talking about first non-automated system. The non-automatic or the manual systems of the reservation were common before automation in the hotel. Two manual systems were generally used by the hotels depending upon the size and the type of the hotel. Non-automated system can be the diary system. The hotel diary systems of the reservation is found in small size properties having limited number of the guest room. A diary is used in this kind of the system that consists of 366 pages to mark the days of the year. The reservation is recorded on the reservation slip or a form and then later transferred to the diary according to the arrival of the guest. The diary consists of various other information like room type, plan, number of person means specs, mode of payment and so on. The biggest advantage of the diary system is that it is easy to understand. Even a new recruit will learn the system in a shortest period of time independently. All the advanced reservations are entered in the diary and less risk of losing the particular reservation. It is also cheapest system of the reservation. This system requires less space as the diaries can be stored one over the other. The only limitation of the diary system is that it's time consuming and difficult to move. Only one person can use the diary at a time and it might untidy. Witness system, it is also one of the popular system of processing reservation in the large hotel manually, not automized. The witness system of the reservation consists of largest wooden racks called Whitney racks having 14 to 16 columns. The first column is the broadest and stores the reservation of the present month present month. The next 11 columns denote the forthcoming 11 columns of the present and the next year. The last two columns are for the subsequent years to come. The information on the witness slip is transferred from the reservation form to the main advantage of the witness system is that it's adjustable and able to provide instant information and it is time saving method. The disadvantage of the system is that it requires more space, slips may be loose and could have typing errors and it could be costly. Now I will be dealing with fully automated system. The fully automated system or the computerized reservation system, we call it a central reservation system. ID's most popular system of the reservation in the hotel used globally. This system operates through the principle of WAN, Wide Area Network, and is connected to the sales department of the hotel around the globe. The system receives records and updates the reservation made from any reservation office of the chain hotel. The advantages of computerized system is that it is time saving, easy to retrieve information whenever required and can be used for multi-purposes, and it is perfect with minimum error and no error and saves the space as well. On the other hand, some hotels or the properties, especially individual, may find the system expensive and some may find it difficult to understand and requires a computer training and may be the reason for unemployment. The role of internet in the reservation. The internet has brought a more advancement in hospitality business as well. It facilitates seamless management of a hotel offices located at various places and their various departments. The hotel businesses are actively working on the internet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The internet has simplified the complex system of reservation. It enables online hotel management system that we call OHMS, such as hotel logistic to help the guests receive accommodation of their choice fast and conveniently. The guest of the hotel can access rate chart, accommodation availability, check-ins and the checkout timing, details about the restaurants and so on at their own convenience. CRS, Central Reservation System. It is a computerized reservation system that reduces the paperwork and can handle large amount of reservation data effortlessly. In this system, since the guest data and the reservation data are stored on the storage disk of the computer and it can be accessed at wish. It is stored in the form of the database of the front office management collection of the records, which can enable searching, adding or moving or updating any guest related data. The computerized reservation system not only helps to make the guest reservation but also helps to forecast how many accommodation can be reserved in an incoming time period. The guest of the hotel sales agent call for checking rooms availability. It is forwarded to the front office reservation department. The staff finds out details about the requirement and the checks the availability of the desired accommodation in the database. According to reservation policy and the procedures, the reservation staff members then notifies or suggests the reception about the accommodation. Most of the hotel are using CRS system nowadays. The availability and the front office also will get the appropriate action as per the requirement of the reservation. The central reservation system is of two types, that is affiliate system and non-affiliate. Affiliate system is a system formed by properties belonging to one chain. A guest is connected from one central point and is shared among all the hotels belonging to the chain. A guest can book his or her reservation from any city. Another type of the is non-affiliate system under CRS. This system is used by association of various individual properties to gain benefits as gained by chain hotels in case of affiliate system of the reservation, as it works in the same way. The third type is the semi-automated system, which is automated but semi. This is a system of reservation which uses combination of both manual and the computer system. Due to lack of trained staff, lack of budget to purchase the costly software, a single computer may be used by hotel in such system without any more terminals in the hotel, supported by well-designed charts providing information about the availability of the room. The system and the softwares can tailored made as per the requirement of individual hotel property and will certainly save the hotel capital expenditure. The another is the density chart. The density chart also helps to know how many rooms are available on a particular day and how many rooms have been overbooked. This chart is designed on the principle that each booking request reduces the availability of the rooms or increases the overbooking of the rooms, and each cancellation increases the availability of the rooms. All the rooms of the same category are grouped together and irrespective of the location in the hotel. Now, room status chart. This is non-automated system. The density chart collector makes a room status chart which shows the request and close dates. The close dates means that no rooms are available on these dates, but in case of on request means few rooms are available for the sales. In case of group reservation, it is always advised to contact the controller before confirming the reservation of a group. Room status chart is even termed as year perpetual planner. To summarize this topic, I would like to say that reservation section plays an important role in room sales and may be considered as backbone of the front office department of a hotel. Room reservations are important not only for the hotel but even is beneficial to the guests in various aspects. If the rooms are not booked in advance, the revenue generation cannot be forecasted and the main objective of the hotel may not be achieved. And a guest traveling to a destination without prior booking may not find a room or a room of a preference. Even the rates may not be negotiated at such moment, and making room reservation important from the point of the guest. The room reservation section comprises of a strong team and targeting 100% occupancy in the hotel. The rooms can be reserved through various verbal and non-verbal mode with the help of various sources such as travel agent, corporates, travel hotel representatives, tour operators, crews and so on. Hotel uses various systems of reservations such as manual, semi-automated and automated system. The system's adoption depends on the size of the property, and so the money has to be invested in such system. That was all about reservation and the reservation system. Thank you for watching EPG Pathshala.